Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Picture this, a tech stock so colossal it's practically a financial empire, Microsoft. With a market cap topping $3.2 trillion, this stock isn't just riding the market, it's steering it. Fresh off blockbuster earnings and buzzing with AI breakthroughs, Microsoft stock is the talk of Wall Street. But is it your ticket to wealth, or a portfolio trap waiting to snap? Today, we're unpacking a deep analysis, pros, cons, analyst verdicts, and the market-moving events you can't miss. Hit that subscribe button, and let's explore this stock market titan together. Let's set the financial stage. Back in 1975, Microsoft was just a dream in a garage. Fast forward to 2025, and its stock dominates the market, fueled by Windows, Azure Cloud, and AI wizardry. This isn't just a company, it's a revenue juggernaut, posting $211 billion last year. Investors who bet on Microsoft stock decades ago are sipping cocktails on yachts today. With shares diversifying into cloud and tech innovation, it's a portfolio powerhouse. Are you curious about the stock price potential? Let's break it down. First, the bullish case for Microsoft stock. Its financials are rock solid. Earnings soared to $96 billion in 2025, with Azure Cloud spiking 29% year-over-year. AI is the secret sauce. Tools like Copilot are turbocharging productivity, promising a stock price lift. Wall Street drools over its cash flow, and a 0.83% dividend yield adds a cherry on top. In a shaky market, Microsoft stock shines as a blue-chip bet with growth galore. Who wouldn't want this investment gem? But wait, every stock has cracks, and Microsoft isn't immune. Its price-to-earnings ratio sits at a lofty 35, well above the market average of 25. That's a premium valuation. If growth falters, shares could nosedive. Competition looms large. Amazon and Google are clawing at AWS market share. Plus, regulatory storms brew. Antitrust probes could dent profits. Investors, tread carefully. This stock isn't a risk-free portfolio play. What's the financial word from Wall Street? Here's the scoop: 42 analysts cover Microsoft stock. Of those, 35 shout buy, 4 whisper hold, and 3 grumble sell. That's a strong buy rating for Microsoft stock. The average price target is $509.17, optimists see $600, while skeptics peg $450. Big shots like Morgan Stanley cheer AI-driven stock surges, but some flag that high valuation. The analyst consensus is bullish, but with a cautious edge. What's shaking Microsoft stock lately? Q1 2025 earnings crushed it, $3.23 per share versus $3.11 expected, sending shares up 5% in a market frenzy. Then came a jolt. Trump's tariffs clipped the stock price over supply chain worries. But Airbus is back. A rumored OpenAI tie-up could spike revenue by Q3. Oh, and data center cuts. Oversupply fears rattled investors, tweaking the stock vibe. This financial ride's electric. Let's get personal with this stock. Remember your first Windows PC? That clunky box shaped our tech lives, and Microsoft stock shaped wealth for many. Today, Azure powers your cloud apps, and AI might draft your next email. I've watched this stock climb since my dial-up days, dreaming of investing. It's not just market numbers, it's a legacy we're all tied to. So, are you ready to jump into this financial saga? Here's the investment bottom line. Microsoft stock dazzles with pros, cloud dominance, AI magic, and a cash mountain. But those cons, sky-high valuation, fierce rivals, could trip up returns. Wall Street analysts tilt buy, banking on market-moving tech wins. If you're hunting for financial stability with upside, this stock could anchor your portfolio. If you are nervous about the market, wait for a stock price dip. Either way, dig into the details, don't ride the hype blind. Remember, the market loves to keep us guessing, so as always, please do your own research before making any investment decisions. So, what's your financial play? Are you bullish on Microsoft stock, or holding off? Let's discuss it. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe for more stock market breakdowns. Please turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next big investment opportunity. Check out our next video for more deep dives and stock updates. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, and may the odds always be in your favor.